Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to grade my road. Like about 2 weeks ago we had some snow on the ground, so we didn't take our snow blower off our tractor yet. And we're going to detach that and go hook up to our grader. Now this is an old-fashioned grader that was used to grade roads that usually had a team of horses behind it to pull it along the ground. But we don't have our horses right now, and we are going to use our tractor to kind of demonstrate how hard it was and how difficult it was to keep roads straight and graded and level. So we're going to walk you through that today. So this is our road grader. It's a 1920s-ish John Deere, and it was used for the state lands department for grading dirt roads in the hills and then out on the country. So my grandparents bought it, and we just kind of kept it around for us to use on our roads, which my dad and grandpa used sometimes on their roads. But I'm going to revamp it, and I'm going to work on it a little bit and get it going, and we're going to use it to grade our road. talking with my dad, I learned a little bit more about what they use this for. And we had an old Union Pacific railroad that would roll through here, and they would pick up all the logs and all these draws that are along our valley. And that's what they used after they picked up the railroad off of there. They would run up and down it with horses to grade it, and that's what this was used for. So it's kind of neat that I get to use it down my road with a piece of history behind it. Didn't look like maybe from the footage that it was really hard to run, but trust me, it was pretty difficult to keep the blade straight and keep the pressure down so the ground would peel up and fill in some of the holes. It did a good job. I'm pleased with it. We might run up and down it a couple more times today. We'll see how the weather holds. And thanks for watching this video. It was fun to do, and I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe and share it, guys. And if there's anybody out there that might have ran this kind of equipment before, or know that a family member has, please let us know. We'd like to know more about it. And if you've worked on one or restored one, I'd like to know that too. And for future videos. Thanks, guys.